Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. Today our topic is pointer arithmetic. First let us see what a pointer is. The computer memory is a sequential collection of storage cells, and each cell is known as a byte, and every byte has a unique address number. Now pointer stores this memory address, which is nothing but the location of a variable in the memory where the data is stored. Now there are different types of pointers: integer pointer, character pointer, float pointer, and a generic pointer that can point to any data. Now let us see the arithmetic operations that can be done on pointers: increment, decrement, addition of constant, subtraction of constant, subtraction of two pointers. Apart from this, no other arithmetic operations can be performed on pointers. Now in our example I am taking an array because it gives contiguous memory location. The elements of the array are 5, 8, 9, 6, 10 and 2, and A0 to A of 5 are the locations, and these are the memory addresses: 6421984 to 642 2004 are the addresses of this location. 6421984 is the address of location A0. 6422004 is the address of location A5. Now in the program I am declaring an integer array of 6 with all these elements: 5, 8, 9, 6, 10 and 2. After that I am declaring two pointer variables P and Q. Whenever I declare a pointer variable, I have to prefix it with star. So I am declaring two pointer variables of integer type. Only an integer pointer can hold the address of integer data type. So my data type is integer. I am using integer pointers P and Q. Then I am declaring an integer L. Here I am assigning the address. Ampersand means address. Here I am assigning the address of A of 0 to pointer P. That means I am assigning the value A of 0 is this. Address of A of 0 is 6421984. I am assigning to pointer variable P, and I am assigning ampersand A of 5 means address of A of 5 to Q. That is 6422004 is the address of A of 5, location A of 5. So that address I am assigning to pointer variable Q. Here then I am displaying the size of the integer, that is 4 bytes. In this computer it is 4 bytes, but in some other computers it may be 2 bytes depending on the computer's architecture. After that I am displaying the current value of pointer P. Current value of pointer P is 6421984. Then I am using the increment operator P plus plus. So when I increment by after this operation, the pointer will point to the next memory location, which is 4 bytes next to the current location. Because 4 bytes next to the current location means it is taking 4 bytes because our data type is integer, and for integer it takes 4 bytes. So P plus plus will not add 1, but it will add 4 bytes. So then I print the value of P plus plus, which is 4 bytes more than 84. It becomes 88. After that I am adding 2. P is equal to P plus 2 means P is equal to P plus 2 into 4. Because our data type is integer, it is taking 4 bytes. So 2 into 4, 8 bytes will be added to the current position of P, pointer P. So at present pointer P is pointing to 1988, memory address 6421988. When I add 2 means 8 bytes will be added to that, so it will become 1996. Then after that I am subtracting 2 from that. So from this 1996, 2 will be, I am subtracting 2. 2 means 2 into 4, 8 bytes will be subtracted from that. So it will become 1988. After subtracting 2 means 8 bytes, it will become 1988. Then I am using the decrement operator. So decrement operator means 1 into 4 bytes. Size of integer is 4. So 1 into 4 bytes will be reduced from the current value of the pointer, that is 6421988. 4 will be reduced from that, and now the pointer will be pointing to the address 6421984. Now pointer Q, the current location is A of 5. Both these pointers are pointing to the same array. The current value in pointer variable Q is the address of A of 5, that is 6422004. Now we will see subtraction of pointers. So subtraction of pointers is possible only when they are of the same data type. Here I am subtracting pointer P from Q. So value of Q is 6422004 and P is 6421984. When I am subtracting these two values, I am not getting 20, but I am getting 5. That is because the difference 20 is divided by 4. 4 is the size of the integer data type. So that is how I am getting this 5. This 5 is the number of elements between these two addresses, between the address 2004 and 1984. So between 1984 and 2004 there are 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that is this 5. Now point to be noted is that when we are subtracting two pointers, that means we are subtracting two addresses. The pointer stores the address. So when we are subtracting two address, the result is not a memory location, but it is an integer value, and that value is the number of elements between the two addresses. Now we will see comparison of pointers. Here pointer is having the value, pointer P is having the value 6421984, and I am adding 3 to that. So 3 means 3 into 4, 12 bytes will be added to that, and the new address is, new value is 6421996. Pointer Q is having a value of 6422004. I am subtracting 1. Subtracting 1 means 4 by 1 into 4, 4 bytes are getting subtracted from that, and the new address is 6422000. Now I am comparing P and Q. 1996 is not equal to 2000, so it will come to this else. Print the value in pointer P and Q and print the values of the elements these pointers are pointing to, that is 6 and 10. So comparison, that values I am printing by dereferencing the pointers, by putting star in front of them. So I am dereferencing pointers P and Q and printing the values of the elements 6 and 10. Now comparisons of pointers can be done using relational operators, but the pointers should point to the same array, otherwise it is meaningless. So if you want to do a meaningful comparison, the pointers should point to the same array. Now let us see character pointer. Here I am declaring a character B, assigning the value k to it. I am printing the size of the character 1 byte. I am declaring a pointer C of character type and initializing it with the address of B. I am printing that pointer. The current value in the pointer is 6421983. I am incrementing that by 1. So, and again printing the value of pointer C, it is 6421984. So here it is increased by 1. The value of the pointer has increased by 1 if I increment by 1. That is because the size of the character is 1 byte. So incremented only by 1 because the size of the character is 1 byte. In the case of integer, it was 4 bytes. So here it is 1 byte. Now float pointer. Here I am declaring a variable t as float. I am declaring a pointer ptrf and assigning the address of t to that pointer. That pointer is of float data type. Printing the value of the pointer, current value of the pointer, that is 6421976. I am using incrementing operator, incrementing the value and printing the value. The value is 6421980. So from 76 it has gone to 80. It has increased by 4. That means that is because the size of the float is 4 byte. Now these are the operations that we have done on pointers now. Here we have subtracted 2 pointers, incremented the pointer, decrement pointer, added constant to pointer, subtracted constant from the pointer. These are the operations which we have done now. Operations, multiplication between of pointers, addition of pointers, division of pointers and modulus of pointers are not allowed. Multiplication, addition, division and modulus are not allowed. Now we will see the code. So this is the code. I have already explained this. It is the same thing. Now we will compile and execute this code. So this is the output. The size of the integer is 4 bytes. I am printing the value of pointer p. Initial value is 6421984. Then using the increment operator, it has increased by 4 bytes, gone to 1988. Then I am adding 2. Adding 2 means 2 into 4, 8 bytes are getting added, goes to 1996. Then I am reducing 2, subtracting 2 from the pointer. That means 8 bytes are getting reduced from that. So 1996 becomes 1988. Then I am decrementing it by 1. So 4 bytes are getting decremented. So it comes to 1984. The value of pointer q is 2004 and q minus p. That is, I am subtracting these 2 pointers, p and q. So q is 2004 and p is 1984. So I am getting 5. That is because the difference 20 is getting divided by the size of the integer. Now this is comparison. Comparison, it comes to the else. Pointers addresses are different, so comparison, it goes to the else and prints the after dereferencing, it prints the values that these pointers are pointing to. Then character, size of character is 1 byte. So the initial value in the pointer is 6421983. I have incremented, it has incremented only by 1. 83 has become 84. That is because the size of character data type is 1. So in the case of float, the initial value in pointer ptrf was 6421976. I am using the incrementing operator. I have incremented it. It has increased by 4 bytes. So 1976 has gone to 1980. That is because the float data type is taking 4 bytes. So this is basic pointer arithmetic. Hope you have understood this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.